Raju bought a talking parrot and said proudly, "This bird will repeat everything I say." Day 1, Raju shouted, "Ugh, the Wi-Fi is so slow." The parrot copied him perfectly. Day 2, Raju yelled, "Why is the internet always down?" The parrot shouted even louder. Day 3, guests arrived. The Wi-Fi worked perfectly, but suddenly the parrot screamed, "Wi-Fi is slow, internet down." Everyone stared. Raju whispered, "Stop it." The parrot replied, "I learned from you, boss." Your words become habits. Choose them wisely.